and he tells me, "Oh, go get all your bitch-ass friends and come back." So whatever, I was there, and they happened to be driving by.
I pulled up.
Your friends were
They happened to be
He was
leaving through the
I
neighborhood,
pulled up.
and they
So
know
they're
that we
just
don't
driving by 25
get.
guys?
Yeah, we all live in the neighborhood.
To get in that neighborhood,
25 guys were just driving by?
Not 5 cars. My friends were in one car.
25 in one car?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 25 of us in one car.
It wasn't in one car.
There was 25 of us
They
in
came
one car.
later
So
on.
whatever. That's the shit.
Now,
My house happened.
are you putting me on?
Why did it lie to you?
Am I putting you on? What do you mean, am I
25
putting you on?
guys
As
in
Jason
one
was
car?
saying, there wasn't 25.
There was not 25 people.
Yes, there was.
How many were there?
I don't know how many people. I'm counting people.
25.
I'm not even paying attention to them.
About around.
Whatever.
25 to 30.
Their neighborhood. That's the
Then
main
what
way.
happened?
We don't have more than 2 cars.
Yeah, between all my friends, I have a car and he has a car, and that's it.
And then what happened?
They happen to be going through the neighborhood because they were going somewhere, and they see my car over there stopped, arguing with this kid because they know that we don't get along.
So I got out of the
Were
car.
they on their way to another war somewhere?
No, what? Friends can't hang out together? Is that what you're telling me? That friends can't hang out? So whatever.
I'm
they're
going to
on
tell you
their-
what I really think. Listen to me.
So they're on there.
Listen to me. I'm going to hear you and your defense.
You're asking me, and I'm trying to tell
I'm
you.
going to hear you and your defense. But, you know, I don't have any doubt. I have no doubt. But that one or two of you, or maybe more, will ultimately end up in the state penitentiary.
No, I had no record
You're-
before.
I don't care
never
about
got
your
arrested or
record.
nothing.
I don't care
Right.
about your record.
Yeah, that's the
I'm
first time I've
telling
ever
you,
been arrested.
I'm telling you, you know, as a judge, you are able to judge people, and you're able,
Sometimes you judge
you're
it wrong.
able to
You know you guys
prognosticate,
are wrong.
and it doesn't always come true. And I hope in your cases
Yeah,
it
well,
doesn't.
It ain't gonna come true.
But you've got such chips on your shoulder.
That's because we didn't.
You've
Yo,
got.
we're gonna accuse of
You're,
something we didn't
you
do.
know,
We gotta get picked up.
I
No,
want to
gotta
tell
take
you.
time out of my schedule to come here.
I
And I'm
just
supposed to be
simply
working.
want to tell you that the way you swagger into this courtroom, the way you laugh,
Sorry.
the way you make a mockery of it, you come over as 4 hoodlums.
Oh,
4 hoodlums.
That's in your eyes.
Now, I want you to know, do you have parents?
Yeah.
no, I don't have parents.
two
Of course I have parents.
And you don't think they worry about you?
Of course they worry.
I mean, not just worry as a normal parent would worry, but worry that you're going down that road to the
No.
penitentiary. You don't think they worry about that?
Because of something I didn't do?
Yeah, we
I'm
got
going to penitentiary because something I didn't do?
The way you're directing your life,
How do you know how I'm directing my life?
just
What are
by
you
the way
saying?
you're talking, just by the way you describe
Because you're
the
talking to
incident.
me how you're talking to me.
Just by the way you describe the incident. All right, what else you want to tell me? And the fact is, you were arrested. Now, let me ask you something. When the cop arrested you, did you tell him, oh, listen, why are you arresting me? No. It was him. He beat me up. He came at me with a bat. You didn't tell him that, did you?
I told him, man, the cops, they didn't
And
do
the
a
cop
goddamn thing.
didn't believe
Exactly.
you. Is that right?
Exactly.
Now,
He
why do
didn't
you
believe
think the cop
Because
didn't
cops
believe
are
you?
scumbags. That's why.
Broken
they're
windows.
known.
Who's gonna believe?
Sir.
Broken windows.
I
or not?
see.
Show respect in this courtroom.
I'm telling how I
Okay,
feel. I
I'm
have the right to
telling
tell you
you,
how I
keep
feel.
quiet.
I have the right to say how I feel.
And respectfully.
Josephine clearly feels contempt for anyone who disrespects cops. The heat's on as the testimony continues.
The first one to end up in the penitentiary is you, in my judgment.
No.
You don't care.
Not what
You'll
you
make
think,
it there,
really.
right? You'll
I
make
don't
it,
care what you
right?
think, really.
I love working here. It's a
Let's listen.
That's right.
That's the only way.
All right.
That's the way I think of cops.
Okay.
That's it.
Now, let me go back to your damages. What were your damages?
To fix the truck.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell me, gentlemen?
That night, when he was talking to Chris Steele when I pulled up and I got in my car, and I didn't know what was going on. I ended up getting hit at bat for no reason.
You were one of the 25?
Yeah, that's what he said. But
No, what do you say?
I got out of the car.
You were not with Chris.
No, I was in my car.
So,
alone.
and how many people were with you?
There was nobody. It was just me by myself. I seen Chris's car pulled over, and I see this kid like
Yeah.
across the street yelling. And when I get out of the car, go up to Chris's car, I see these kids running at me with bats. And that's when I put my arm up. I got hit with a bat, and then I don't know. Everything just
So-
went crazy after that.
Oh, so you were hit by a bat. How do you know
Yeah.
it was his bat?
Because he was the one that, as I was turning, I seen him with the bat.
And how about the others who were running at him?
I have no clue who the other guys were at.
But you saw them
Yeah, I seen 3 other guys. It was him and
Right.
2 other guys
running at him.
running at me.
What would his?
I got hit with the bat, and then that's when everything
Are you
started happening.
saying that the guys that drove up in the car that he talked about,
No, the ones
Just
that were
listen
at his
to me.
house.
What?
The ones that were at his house
I
came
see.
out running from their
We
property
didn't have bats.
and hit me with the bat.
What did you have?
Oh, huh?
What did you have?
I don't do his bats. I don't need.
What do you use? Chains?
Nah, for him.
You don't need that, right?
For him?
For him,
I didn't know.
for him, you don't need a chain. You just
No.
need your fist.
No, they
right?
have their bats. We let them have their bats.
Well, what is it you need to hit him?
For Jay, nothing.
Knuckles.
Pencil maybe.
A pencil will knock him down, right?
Yeah, him? Anything.
All right. The first one to end up in the penitentiary is you, in my judgment.
Yeah.
You don't care.
Not really.
Not what
You'll
you
make
think,
it there,
really.
right? You'll
I
make
don't care what
it,
you
right?
think, really.
Yeah,
You'll make it on one toe, right?
2.
On 2 toes.
Oh man. It's
You know,
funny out here.
what is to me so incredible is that you think by being a smart-ass kid that you're going to make it through life.
I'm doing fine.
No, you're not.
How do you know?
How do you know?
You don't know.
How do you know
how
how we're
I'm telling you, I'll
Oh,
tell you
you're
how
telling
I
us
know.
how we're doing?
I know you're gonna.
I'll
you're
tell
gonna
you how I
we're
know.
doing now.
No, I'll tell you how I know.
Yeah. You're a real smart guy.
No?
Nah,
so.
look at it. There's some lawyers out there. They're all hung up on drugs and stuff. You're gonna tell me just because the way we acting right now, that's the way we are?
No.
Nah.
You,
You don't know. You don't
just
know us
said to
from.
me
got-
that
we got-
just listen to me, John. You may be the smartest of the whole lot, but your life's ruined anyway.
Nah, it's not ruined. I'm
Oh,
telling you that.
yes, it is.
I'm not listening. Nah.
We're-
That because
not
there
ruined.
may be, you
It's not
say,
ruined.
some lawyers out there who are hung up on drugs.
Yeah, and what
And
are we? So
you come
'Cause the
over
way
the
I
way
act-
you
the
do,
way I'm acting right
that
now?
you're better than them. That's really what you were saying a moment ago.
I definitely am better.
and I'm
because
saying,
I ain't
I
into
hope
drugs
you're not
and
on
shit.
drugs,
Aight?
and I don't accuse you of that because I have no basis for that. But I am saying, you know the word, you know the word attitude, right?
Yeah, I know the word attitude.
You know what the word attitude is, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
You know what it is? And you surely know, because all you have
It's an attitude.
is an attitude.
Can't help it. I'm